Yes, yes, it's a Real People Thing channel. Come experience the love, the vibe, and the journey.
Welcome back, my beautiful people. I know I've been missing for a while, but I'm back with a bang in 2025. Hope you have been blessed thus far. Yeah, man. Now, this episode is about having fun. I'm going to share with you some of my old-time Jamaican proverbs, that my forefathers used to use back then. And you give me your interpretation or your answers. The first one is, dog the sweat, but long hair cover it. Dog the sweat, but long hair cover it. The next one is, the same dog will bite you a morning, him a go bite you a evening. The same dog will bite you a morning, him a go bite you a evening. Roll in your answers, man. But in the meanwhile, just go and enjoy the video. The scenery from the Thames River. Seeing? And remember, like, comment, subscribe, and share. It's a Real People Thing channel. Seeing? Bless up.
Look at all the birds. Guess it's sleeping time for them. All along the bridge. Every now and then you can see one landing. It's like, and they're all along. I guess it's bedtime for them. Yes, on a lovely Monday evening, approximately 4:35, along the River Thames. Yeah, you can see the beautiful sunset. We are about a mile away from the O2 Arena. And if you look closely, you can see the beautiful sunset. Not to mention the artwork along the fence line. This is so beautiful, so beautiful. Look at that. And you can see the buildings in the background, nestled along the Thames River. Plane taking off, plane landing. It's all going down. Nice, very nice. And you can see the sun mining company. This is where they load their sand. Just look at that view. My. All along the river.